Do you have valuables that nobody should ever find? Today, I'm showing you the most mysterious 3D printed models you can download for free right now. We're printing the ultimate stealth gear, from hidden compartments triggered by secret switches to vaults with your own custom combination code, and even puzzle boxes that require 16 precise steps to unlock. From hyper-realistic disguises to mind-bending mechanical riddles, we've got everything to keep your gear safe. So, grab your filament, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a gadget, and let's dive straight into the slicer. Let's go! At first glance, this black honeycomb box looks like just another cool 3D printed accessory, but it's hiding a major secret. And no, I'm not talking about the support structures we need to peel off. This box is fully IKEA SCADIS compatible, but it's way more than just a simple shelf. Check this out, it features a hidden inner drawer. And just like that, you've got the perfect secret compartment to hide your valuables right in plain sight. The installation on the SCADIS pegboard is super smooth, just snap it on, slide it down, and it's locked in. Now, your favorite Funko Pop has a dedicated spot to stand on while literally guarding your treasures. The idea is as simple as it is brilliant. It looks sleek, adds functionality to your setup, and honestly, it's a solid 10 out of 10 for me. I would never have thought of such a clever hiding spot. Isn't this dragon artwork stunning? But don't let the looks fool you. This is a 3D printed hidden safe disguised as a book. It's easily one of my top 3 favorite models today. From the front, the detail is incredible, and from the side it looks just like a standard fantasy novel sitting on your shelf. The engineering is spot on. It's a 2-part print that requires no supports and zero glue. The tolerances are so tight that the white insert fits perfectly into the black cover. Two things really stand out to me. First, the storage capacity is huge. You can hide cash, silver coins, or even a USB drive with your next big project ideas. Second, the attention to detail is insane. The white insert features small ridges that perfectly mimic real book pages. It's not just a flat surface, every detail was planned. There are even slots for magnets to keep the book firmly shut. This is a definitive 10 out of 10 in terms of aesthetics and cleverness. You can scale it to fit any bookshelf perfectly. Do you love this idea as much as I do? We're just getting started. Now we're looking at a masterpiece of 3D engineering, a hidden safe with a customizable 3-digit combination lock. This model consists of 7 individual parts. Once assembled, it looks like an ordinary succulent pot, but it's actually a functional vault. You can even choose different plant styles. Here's how it works. You pick the first 2 numbers of your code, while the third one is always 0. The numbers are cleverly hidden right beneath the leaves. Let's set my code to 950. The plates are clearly labeled, so it's foolproof. For the first plate, I use the math. 9 minus 5 equals 4, so I place the pin in slot 4. Don't worry, your opening number remains 9. Then, I place the second pin in slot 5. Stack the 3 layers. Attach the plant, give it a twist, and the secret compartment is locked. Even if someone finds your password, they'd need the right technique to open it. Turn clockwise to the first number, 9. Turn counterclockwise for 1 full rotation, then stop at the 5. Turn clockwise back to 0, and just like that, the vault opens. When the internal slots align, you can access your treasures. The fact that you can 3D print a working lock with this much storage space is just mind-blowing. Plant back on, twist, and it's secure. Engineering at its finest. This is one of the largest mystery boxes I've ever printed. It's a massive 7-part build that looks incredible in a 2-tone finish. Best of all, there's a version that doesn't require an AMS, so anyone can achieve this multicolor look. In terms of volume, this is by far the biggest storage space I've shown you today. Because the assembly is quite a journey, I actually printed out the manual. It takes 16 precise steps to unlock this beast. Perfect for anyone who loves a good mechanical riddle. As we slide the pieces together, pay close attention. The left and right walls look identical, but they have subtle differences. Once the front and back panels are in, we face the final challenge. The lid. You can't just snap it on. You have to perform the 16-step sequence just to slide the lid into its locked position. Fun fact, you can find 3D printed puzzle boxes with over 100 steps, but I think 16 is the sweet spot. Hard enough to be secure but easy enough to memorize after a few tries. Now it's fully locked and looks like a piece of art. To get back inside, you just reverse the process, sliding the panels in the right order. It's the ultimate gift box or desk accessory. We're printing the holy grail of hidden compartments today, and this time we're using a premium marble PLA filament. The moment I saw this 3D design on MakerWorld, I knew it was the perfect disguise. No one would ever think to look here. It's an easy print and 100% functional. It's a rotating lint roller, and thanks to the marble finish, the layer lines are almost invisible. It looks exactly like a mass-produced item you'd buy at the store, just a bit of post-processing to snip off the filament bits, and we're good to go. While it's not made for silver coins, it's perfect for hiding cash. Just roll up your bills, slide them in, and secure them with the threaded screw cap. It's tight, hidden, and completely unsuspecting. Even better if you use a standard refill, the roller actually works. Would you ever guess there's money hidden inside the lint roller? It looks so legit, it's unbelievable. Next up, I'm printing the ultimate disguise. Since smoke detectors are mandatory in almost every home, this gadget is basically invisible to the naked eye. It looks just like a standard smoke alarm, but it's actually a high-capacity hidden safe. The design is super practical, it's easy to twist open, and it features dedicated mounting holes to screw it right onto the ceiling. Because this secret compartment sits high above everyone's head, it stays completely off the radar. There's more than enough room for cash, silver coins, and even a backup USB drive. My valuables are officially secure. If you inspect it from an inch away, you might notice the 3D printed texture, but let's be real. Who's going to climb a ladder just to get a close look at your smoke detector? It even features a fake test button for extra realism. This idea is pure genius. Would you trust your valuables to a ceiling-mounted safe?
Ugh. What's that, brother?
This is a 3D printed eraser. What looks like a giant eraser for a colored pencil is actually a clever 3D printed secret compartment. A brim wasn't necessary here since the models are low profile and print pretty fast. This is the ultimate stealth office accessory, a pencil that doubles as a hidden safe for cash or small items. It's also a fantastic gift idea. Just roll up your bill, slide it inside, and pop the 3D printed eraser cap on top. I used a mix of silver glossy PLA and standard pink filament for this build, and the color combo looks spot on. While the storage space is limited, it's the perfect size for some emergency cash or even a small crypto hardware wallet like a ledger. It's a fun, creative way to give a money gift, especially for kids. There's no screw thread needed, the cap just slides on for a perfect friction fit. Such a cool little project, what do you think? Next up is this mysterious looking rock, and the highlight here is actually the slicer settings. I used the fuzzy skin feature for the outer walls, and I'm obsessed with the result. It creates a rough, organic texture that makes the 3D print look incredibly realistic. Underneath the rock, there's a hidden compartment with a threaded screw cap. It's the perfect spot to stash a spare key. For the best results, you'll want to match your filament color to the natural stones in your garden so it blends in perfectly. You can easily scale this model up or down, but even at standard size, there's plenty of room for more than just a key. It's a simple, functional, and stealthy DIY project. What do you think of the fuzzy skin finish? Does it look like the real deal? No collection is complete without a cool Chibi model. I stumbled upon this mysterious creature and my Bamboo Lab printer was practically screaming to bring it to life. It features a large compartment in the back, secured by a matching cover plate. You can fit a surprising amount of gear in here. And if you need even more storage, you can easily scale it up to a massive size. Now, if someone picks it up, the secret might be out. But here's the pro tip. Remember that IKEA Skadi's hidden shelf from earlier. By placing this mysterious statue right on top of that Skadi's mount, you're combining two hidden compartments into one ultimate stealth setup. It's functional art at its best. What do you think of this combo? I found this one super interesting, a hyper-realistic 3D printed walnut. Comparing it to the real deal, you can definitely see a size difference. My homegrown walnuts were a bit tiny this year. But still, toss this into a bowl of real nuts and it'll be completely overlooked. The mechanism is simple. Just a quick twist and inside you'll find the perfect spot to stash a tiny secret. The threaded design ensures both halves of the walnut lock together seamlessly. It's small, fun, and a very easy print. It's the ultimate low-key camouflage for your smallest treasures. Here's another puzzle box, and this one is the perfect to-go size. It's printed in 4 separate parts, and you can already see the intricate maze pattern etched onto the inner core. First, we assemble the handle, just snap it on and secure it with the printed clip from the inside. Nice and sturdy. Now hide the small treasure inside and slide the cover on. It's funny. I can usually lock it in seconds, but trying to open it always takes me a few minutes. The trick is that you can't just pull and twist. The maze often forces you to push the lid back down to navigate the next turn. This makes it a fantastic DIY gift box for friends and family. Put a surprise inside and watch them struggle a little to earn their gift. We're printing the next model in a stunning shiny rainbow filament, though I bet it would look incredible in marble as well. This is a 2-part ancient pillar featuring a secure threaded locking mechanism. The interior offers plenty of volume for cash and other valuables, while the top serves as a display stand for your favorite decor. I'm using mine to showcase a little scene. My flexi hamsters being chased by a pack of flexi spiders. The best part? You can easily scale this pillar up to fit larger display items or hide even more gear inside. Having a secret compartment hidden inside a decorative display piece is a massive bonus. It's functional art at its best. What would you display on top of your pillar? We can't finish this list without a Tudor style secret box. This is actually the first time today I'm using glue to attach the 4 decorative roses to the side panels. Once finished, the box looks perfectly symmetrical from every angle, making the hidden switch impossible to spot. What do you think of this black and red color scheme? I think it looks stunning. I did have a little oops moment though. I almost glued down the one panel that needs to slide to open the box. Luckily, I wiped the glue off in time. Don't worry, the finish is still perfect. Only the base and the lid mechanism get permanently attached. The secret panel just snaps into place, and the locking pin goes in from the top. To open it, you have to slide the correct wall to the right to release the lid. It's so stealthy that even my son gave up after 10 minutes of trying to find the opening. Which of today's models was your favorite? Thanks for watching, and make sure to share this video with your friends.